would you come so close? Would you?
Yeah, but you stop. Why did you stop so fast?
What's
Look
it
what
do-
you done.
Will you put that phone down for start and all?
No,
Yeah.
no. What on earth are you doing? Stop
We reached the
shouting.
baby and you stopped so fast.
No. Well, it's my fault. It's your fault.
No, it's your
No,
fault.
it's
You
your fault.
stopped
Stop
fast.
doing that.
No, I'm not going to stop doing it.
Put the phone down.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
No, it's his fault. You
I
stopped.
might want to put it
You
on
stopped first.
Yeah, you should be so close.
It wasn't so close. No, it's your fault. The baby.
It's too close.
No, it's not.
Put that phone down.
No, I'm
yeah.
not.
What's going on? Can somebody help, please?
What have you done to me, lorry?
No, you stopped too fast.
Oh, no, it's your fault.
Can you stop it? Just stop it.
No, it's your fault.
No, it's not about the fault. Just stop it.
You put it down all.
No,
Yes.
I'm not going to put it down. It might be used as evidence for something. There's no way I'm stopping filming.
Look at this, like this side.